Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Chris and I strive to be the best version of myself. I was on American Ninja Warrior, and in this video I want to talk to you guys about a few tips and tricks on doing bone broth fasting. Alright guys, welcome back. I highly recommend doing bone broth fasting if you are someone that's looking to lose weight fast, to even lose your gut, and also reduce symptoms like anxiety, depression, high blood pressure, and even panic attacks. Because I am somebody that have been suffering from anxiety and panic attacks, and it's not fun at all. So I have consumed a lot of sugar and processed food after my Philippines trip. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put a link in the description below. I had a really good time, but I ate a lot of bad food and I drank a lot of beer and I gained over 10 pounds. Before I talk about these tips on doing bone broth fasting, please like and subscribe to this channel. I'm trying to make more videos like this to help you guys get through your intermittent fasting. Alright, back to the video. I have a link in the description below, guys. I have my transformation from weighing 139 down to 133, and then even going further down to 126. I lost a lot of weight. I'll put that link in the description below. I'll also put 7 benefits of doing bone broth fasting. I'll put that also in the link in the description below. Alright guys, tip number 1 is to try to shoot for at least 24 hours. I know it's not easy, but try to get through 24 hours of drinking bone broth. If you are awesome, go for 48 hours. If you are amazing and strong like me, having a strong mindset, you gotta go for at least 72 hours, if not more. The max I've ever done bone broth fasting was 4 days of no eating, just drinking bone broth. And then every quarter, I do about 72 hours of bone broth, and then I just do clean eating afterward. If you can't do 72 hours like me, guys, then do at least 24 hours. All right, tip number 2, when should you start your fast? I highly suggest doing your fast at nighttime, so that way, like after dinner, you don't have to eat anything after dinner, and then you can sleep most of your fast away. When you wake up in the morning, continue your fast. Tip number 3, guys, to minimize your hunger pains during the process of doing bone broth is to just keep drinking bone broth. Me, every hour on the hour, I would drink at least 16 ounces of bone broth, and I've realized that helped me minimize my hunger pains. And if I did feel hungry, or if I got a headache or whatever, I would just drink more bone broth. Alright, tip number 4 is to refill the water and add more ingredients. Obviously, as you're drinking the bone broth, your water levels are going to decrease. So add more water, add a little bit of Celtic or Celtic sea salt, and also add your apple cider vinegar. If you don't know where to buy the Celtic sea salt, I got a link in the description below. Check that out. Real quick, if you guys need the recipe to the bone broth fasting, I'll leave a link in the description below on how to do this bone broth fast. Alright, and tip number 5, guys, is to have a positive mindset. A strong and positive mindset. It's not easy when you're going through this bone broth fasting because you're gonna feel like you cannot do it. But I highly suggest is to have a positive mindset. Try to have a positive environment. You know, try to have no kids running around, no dogs barking, and have a comfortable and positive environment. Go outside and relax and ask yourself, why are you doing this in the first place? So you can follow through. It's life transformational, guys. I highly recommend it. Alright guys, so this was just a quick video on doing bone broth fasting, just a quick tips and tricks. And I'm also curious, guys, what are you guys doing this bone broth fasting for? Are you trying to lose weight? Are you trying to reduce anxiety or anything like that? If you are, leave them in the comments below. I would love to know about it. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.